Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Got some new and exciting products for you guys. As you can see, we got ZR6000 in front of us. The products we're talking about today are going to pertain to the C-TEC 6000 models, so 2014 and newer 6000 Arctic Cat models. And we're going to be talking about our Stage 1 Exterminator Kit here to start off. Quick, simple, easy. 6.5 horsepower gain, 91 premium octane gas, and a retail price of $14.99. What that first stage kit consists of is our stealth head mod, sleeper head kit, where you send in your stock head, we gut everything out, we put in our interchangeable billet dome inserts. Hypershift Clutch Kit comes with an H5 alloy primary and secondary spring. One of our lightweight Team Boss helixes with a compound radius cut, and a set of our machined adjustable Hypershift clutch weights. Another thing in Stage 1 is these V-Force Reeds. This is a very unique and specific reed for this package. This is a reed that's only available through Speedwerx that we work exclusively with V-Force on to develop. To top off that kit, we do our ECU reflash, doing all the fuel programming, timing programming, all the other changes and things that we make to make this thing a rocket ship. It's all done here in the ECU. So again, head, clutching, reeds, ECU. That completes our Stage 1 package. 6.5 horsepower gain over stock, premium 91 octane fuel, and hang on, because she goes like stink.